Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me, decorate for Halloween with me. I like to decorate on Halloween from September through Halloween, and then I will take off those decorations, put any fall themed decorations that I have, and enjoy the pumpkin. I already changed the blanket, but I did film me changing the blanket, so like it counts in today's video, but I did do that already. And I already did some few things around the house, but I figured these videos are popular on my channel and you guys like to see them and I like to make them, so let's go ahead and make some more. If you enjoy these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up and let's get into the cleaning with me portion. Alrighty, so I have a lot of boxes and trash in here that I need to throw out, so let me get started with this. I'm sorry everyone, the noise that you hear is the washer and dryer. I am nearby the closet that I need to look through for all the Halloween stuff. Should be fun looking through it all. I'm taking out all of my Halloween stuff and ideas are popping, and I'm getting rid of stuff that I don't really want anymore. But I really like the pumpkins, and the box over here has stuff that I like. Oh, and I'm holding this spider, and like there's like, I feel like I can work with like this. I don't know, I'm liking where this is going, so we're gonna see what I can do here. Like lots of Halloween goodies. Alright, this is what I have going on so far. I feel like I need more spider webs. But I don't want to completely cover the squishmallows, but I feel like you can't really see it. So I need to add more spider webs. And then I need to add more spider webs over here. I was gonna add them over there, but I don't think I'm doing that anymore. It seems like a lot of work to like move them and then get a step stool. So I don't think that's gonna work. Hey everyone, it's been a couple of days. I am now editing this video. I realized that I've never finished this video. Good times. But I wanted to share what has been done. It's not really much, and I feel like I need to add spiders to it. But let's do that really fast. I have more spiders, but right now I can only find one. I have these spider lights that are cute. I think I'm gonna put them where my nail polish stuff is, even though I don't really think you're gonna be able to see it. Okay guys, so I think my finishing touch is gonna be these little cute like spider lights. Like, you're not gonna see them from afar, but like they're cute and I want to put them. Okay, so my nail polish rack has some spider webs, has some creepy cloth, and then I added a little touch of little spider lights that you can like barely see what they are. Camera's not even picking them up. And then I decided to make this section look a little more spooky, and then I have 2 more spiders under there, some spiders crawling up on there, and I wish I had more spiders, but you know, I don't. But I think it's fine. You know, it's not the prettiest, but spider webs usually aren't for Halloween, so I figured this looks good and I like it, and I can change like the color of the lights in my room to make it look more like spooky. Like, I like that. That looks fun, and it is fun. I like it. I forgot to mention that I do have this little coffin thing in the nightstand that just says "Welcome Foolish Mortals," because I love Haunted Mansion and I think it's very cute there. But yes, you guys, that completes this clean and decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys tend to really enjoy these types of videos, so I try to do them a little more often for you. But my schedule has been awful. Today I was sick most of the day, so I couldn't do anything. I was literally throwing up, so it was not good time. But now I feel better, so I figured I would finish this decorate with me just so I have a little fun this Halloween, because I feel like last year I didn't do much for Halloween. This year we're doing a little more. Okay, I love Halloween. It's my favorite time. I'm not really gonna be here the week leading up to Halloween because I'm gonna be in Orlando, but we get to enjoy it while it lasts. And with all that being said, that completes today's video. I'm so happy with how it came out. I get to enjoy a little spookiness in my room now, and I love that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video and for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. That completes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next. God damn it. With all that